Whew. Oh my God, it's really cold today. Woo. Got a little squeaking in there. That's a nice little growl though. And it's gone. Good morning, everybody. Today, we're gonna be talking about if my 200 is leased or financed. As soon as I can get the key to get in the car. All this little bit of snow. It's supposed to snow again tonight, man. Mind you, I'm in upstate New York. It was just 40 something degrees yesterday. It was so nice. A couple hours later, what do you know? And don't be drilling my broom either, man. It's worked way better than any snow brush I know about. Back, I think we good to go. We gotta go. I'm on my way to work, man. Alright, so is my 200 financed or leased? Gonna find out right now. Alright, so my 2015 Chrysler 200, it is financed. I did finance this car. At the time, I wish I could have leased it, but with a lease, they tend to ask for money down. When I buy a car, I never put money down. It's just a thing. I don't know. I don't like putting money down. I just feel like you can use it for a bunch of other things than putting it down on the amount of the car. Because all they really do is pocket that money. It really doesn't help you. At least what I feel. I think they just pocket that. That salesman, that $2,000-$3,000 you put down, he's pocketing that. That's what he's going home with. But anyway, now the only thing I know, people going, hate on leases. You shouldn't do a lease. They'll say a million things about leasing. It's like you're renting a car, but at the end of the day, man, you're renting a car when you finance it too. You don't own it. You don't own a car when you lease it. You don't own a car when you put a finance for it. If you miss a payment, they coming to get your shit, bro. Plain and simple. If you miss a payment in leasing, they coming to get it. The only difference really is, there's a couple differences with a lease. If you're one of them type of people where you want to hop out of a whip every year, every 2 years, or every 3 years, that would be perfect for you. Because at least all you do is you stay under your mileage. They offer like 2 different mileage plans, 10, 12, and I think 15. And if you go over, you do gotta pay the difference. But if you're one of those people that don't drive a lot and you just like to drive something new every couple years, a lease will work for you. Because all you do at the end of your lease is hand them back the keys. That's it. Or you have the option to pay off the rest of whatever the car's value is after your lease is up. But again, that would work for you because you can hop into any other new whip or hop into the same car but the newer model. That would be perfect. That's what I wanted to do because I get tired of driving the same thing over and over. But at that point in time, it didn't work for me. I didn't have the money down to do a lease, so I financed this car with the local bank in Rochester, New York, upstate New York. It's pretty packed today. So stay tuned for the next video. I will be telling you how much I paid for it, sticker price, how much I pay a month, and how much I pay a month for insurance. I'll be doing that in the next video. Alright, I'm back at the shop now, man. I actually did that video on my lunch break, so I appreciate y'all again, man, for watching. Again, y'all already know, man, as always, more power, no car, baby. Now, I know a lot of people gonna be like, ah, oh, he's Mopar only, da da da. No, I don't say that because of Mopar only. I like all types of different cars, man. I just feel like Mopar in the league right now, man. Come on, man. We got the Hellcats that's been killing the game for the last 3-4 years. We got, come on, man. Do I gotta say more? We got the Demon. Come on, man. I don't think I need to keep going. Trackhawk. Come on, man. The best SUV out right now. The Trackhawk Jeep. Man, that we just winning right now, man. So that's why I always say Mopar, no car, man. In my opinion, I feel like Mopar killing it. They got the best vehicles out right now, man. Again, y'all, thank y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Got her all cleaned up. She looking good. And we out.